I have so many things to label, it's not even funny. I just have had them on my dresser, and now I need to just go ahead and label them because I am guilty of not trying to, or not being able to find the correct color that I want. And so that's probably why. Okay, let's get to labeling. All right, so I'm not quite sure where I want to put my pudding gels because they are just like buttercreams. Like they are so, yeah, we'll do a lighter one. They are just so nice. I've used this a couple times. So you can see it does not need much. I have heard a couple people, I don't know, it must be how I pulled it out, that some of the container, like the part that holds the gel, comes out. And I had that happen to, forget which one. I've had it, I think, happen to maybe like 2 of them. Just pop it back in and you can see I can't really get it to reproduce. I just don't think they were like clicked in all the way. So I'm not sure if I want to put these with the gel polishes because I'm trying to, I don't know. I gotta think on it. All right, so I got them all swatched, not swatched. I still have swatching to do, but I got these ones all labeled, and I probably should wait until I film that other video, but here we are. Now I'm debating if I want to change how I do this. I'm still not quite sure. So they say this is a red, and that looks like neon to me. So that's probably why it's considered a red. So I'm gonna fast forward this part for you guys so you don't have to sit here. Obviously you can see stuff that I have pulled out from over there. I don't know if that's in this or not, but I feel like it is. But now we are fully organized for now. I guarantee I'm gonna get one more thing like this one. You know, I'm just gonna have to reorganize the whole thing again. It's fine. This is a moving process, and thankfully I have a lot of different colors, so it's exciting. All right, so I use these guys all the time from Double Dip, but I have recently had them in my drawer and I don't have enough around them to keep them from falling over, and they don't need to stand up straight. It's just personal preference. But since I always use these on top, I'm thinking about putting them in like where my paints are, where my 3D gel is, and some of like, I guess technically, whatever like these like pasty things are. It's like, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's like paste. So I'm thinking about putting them in there since I almost open that drawer every time. That's kind of perfect. I just gotta make sure I put the caps on really well. Literally, this red and black are my most used right now because of the season, but I mean, that's kind of a perfect fit. So I'll show you where I'm putting them. Yeah, so this was my thought process. I'm going to, so this is like those metallic paints. You know, you got to mix them up to use them. That's why I actually apparently just make a mess. Okay. I put the dots so I know which one's which. So I'm thinking, since I know I specifically have to reach for those, to put these here. And I have these normally here, but this has kind of gotten in the way of that, so I put these here. I don't know. I haven't figured this out yet. So I have to figure, I mean, ideally, I would love them to fit, you know, right here, but that's, we don't live in an ideal world, okay? All right, so I got a whole bunch of new bits in because these guys are getting tired. So I have had these for almost, it seems like ever. So this is like one of my first bits I got, and I loved this guy. And he still works great, but like, I'm sure it's time. Like, I feel like that's like stained. I've like scrubbed this so many times and I like can't get it out. So I'm letting it go. And it's gone. Okay. So this guy has definitely had it. This was like if I had one of those like wire brushes, I used to make jewelry, so I used to have one, but like this was, I did like an army one with this. I'll see if I can like link it somewhere on here. And it got all up in there. Yeah, so can't get that out. And I only do my own nails, by the way, so when I clean them, it's usually just alcohol. These got, I mean, like literally all these bits are old. Except for this guy, because that guy's new. So let's rebuild my kit here. And so I actually had to redo one of my nails, and like you can see my blue jeans staining my top coat. So that's awesome. I think this is the new one. Maybe it's just like extra dirty since I just used it. Yeah, okay, just making sure. Just use the crap out of these. So I just got this case off AliExpress, and you can find these off AliExpress too. They are nothing special. So I love this drill bit. It is a cuticle drill bit. So hands down, probably my favorite cuticle drill bit. And then I have these guys, which I'm not good at remembering these little dots. Maybe I need to write them down. Like red means fine, right? Yeah, these are all gonna be fine. And so I got another one of these for underneath, which I just use. I'm telling you, that is like a lifesaver. This is a coarse one. That actually looks pretty similar to the one I had. I thought it was a medium. So yeah, let's figure this out. All right, so let's see, position my lights. So what I did there is drop it. Okay, so this is my cuticle bit, extra fine, fine. This is medium, and these are coarse, but since I guess it's a different, there we go. It's a different, like, these are ceramic. This is not ceramic. What is that? Lost my train of thought. Anyway, so this is a coarse guy, and this is also coarse. I feel like. I think it is. I don't actually remember. These are the older ones. Like, actually, all of these are. This is a 5-in-1, which I think it's like, I think I have this going up to medium or coarse. So it's like extra fine to coarse. And then sanding bands. And then I have this guy to go under the nail. So I'm going to start with this. I need to get another 5-in-1. I think I have another one. And I think I have an extra course here. So I'm not necessarily keen on this specific one, but I think this one's the same. It can go left or right, like for righties or lefties. It like just leaves lines. So I'm trying. So we'll see how that works out. I have a couple more obviously left in the group. So I will put these with my storage. So since I record so many videos, I figured I would show you what I actually keep them in. So this is just a little cheapo from, let's see, I think it's on this side. Yeah, Amazon. I'll link it below, but literally they're just like little pockets, and they come with stickers that go in the middle here for like if I want to put like, oh, I've edited, or this is blank, or you know, this is a vlog or cleaning type thing. So I don't bother with that. When I was doing nails, vlogs, and planner stuff, it was a lot. So I did have them labeled. Now I don't, because it's not that big of a deal. So I just have them in there. Keeps the dust out, keeps them pretty, safe. So definitely love this, because when you're recording and you have so much, I mean, you can only put so much on your hard drive, even though I have a big hard drive too. But anyway, that's beside the point. Love this little guy.